Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today for the weekend special we bring to you a very special recipe from Karnataka, that is Neer Dosa, and very simple and easy to make, doesn't require any fermentation, really soft and cottony dosas. For this weekend special, enjoy this simply delicious soft Neer Dosa served with some sweet coconut jaggery and also some red chutney. For making Neer Dosa, I have soaked 1 cup of rice overnight. Now drain the water, take the rice in a mixie jar. Add water a little at a time and grind it into a smooth fine batter. I have used about 3/4 cup water while grinding and we have ground it into a nice smooth paste. Can you see this? Now take the batter out in a bowl. Now I am adding the remaining water. See, we have added totally 1 cup of water, but the batter has to be more dilute. So another about half cup of water I have added now. See, this is the consistency which we want. It is Neer Dosa. Neer means water. So Neer Dosa is made with batter which is quite dilute and watery. And just add only salt for taste and give it a good mix. Earlier I have once shown you by adding grated coconut also while grinding. That is optional. In today's version I am not adding any coconut, only ground rice and salt. For making this dosa, no fermentation is required. You can grind it and then immediately make the dosa. Now heat your tawa very well. Just add a few drops of oil and rub the oil all around it. You can use either a tissue or a piece of onion like this. Now reduce the flame and just pour it out like a rava dosa, that is without touching the tawa. From the edges you come inward and just fill in the gaps like this. You can just even twist the tawa around. Now just cover it with a lid and cook it for less than a minute. Now let's open it and check. See, it is easily leaving the sides and coming out. See, that's it. There is no need to flip it over. Just carefully remove it and keep it on a plate. Now just allow it to cool a little bit for 30 seconds. Then you can easily fold it like a triangle and your lovely soft Neer Dosa is ready. Every time before making a new dosa, just add a drop of oil. Spread it around like this with either a cloth or an onion piece I have done. Give the batter a mix and pour it out from above. Cover and cook for about a minute. See, you will be easily able to remove the dosa like this. Just cool it for half a minute. Why do I say allow it to cool? Otherwise when you fold, the two parts will stick to each other. Just let it cool for 30 seconds, then you can fold it into a triangle like this. So, lovely, absolutely soft, fluffy Neer Dosa ready for you. We have completed the batter. So with 1 cup of rice, I have got about 6 Neer Dosas. Now for a side dish, of course we can make a chutney too, but children and adults also like this. I have half a coconut I have grated, and I'm also adding about 1/4 cup of jaggery, and just we'll cook these two together till the jaggery melts. Just add half a teaspoon of ghee to it. When it all comes together and the jaggery has also melted well, and here I have some freshly powdered cardamom. Awesome flavor. Now switch it off. Now you can take it out in a bowl. You can serve it as such, or if you want to add milk to it and serve, that is also your choice. I am going to leave it as such. Now we will make a kara chutney or red chutney for this. Just heat a spoon of oil. Add 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of Channa dal, about 4 dry red chillies. Saute them all together. To this I am adding 1 chopped onion and a small piece of tamarind. If you don't have tamarind, you can substitute with 1 tomato. Again saute everything well together. Add salt. When the onions get a glassy appearance and they are done, you can switch it off, allow it to cool, add a little water and grind it into a chutney. Our kara chutney is ready now. We'll just do a simple tadka for this. Heat a teaspoon of oil, add some mustard seeds and curry leaves to it. Pour it on top of your chutney. Now we'll serve out our weekend special breakfast of soft fluffy Neer Dosas. For those with a sweet tooth, this jaggery and coconut is a very divine combination. To perk up the taste, you have this kara chutney or red chutney also at the side. If you are new to this recipe, do give it a try. This requires no fermentation, simple and easy to make, but just take care of a few tips. You can use any rice. You can use sona masuri, raw rice, or even idli rice, but I would not recommend basmati rice for this. Secondly, there is no fermentation required. You grind it and you can make it immediately, but make sure that the batter is ground very fine and soft. Also, the consistency of the batter, it should be quite watery, so you can always adjust, add water a little at a time and then adjust and make the dosas. And there is no need, you have noticed, I did not pour any oil around the dosa, just for smearing on the tawa before I make each dosa so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Lovely soft Neer Dosas, a lovely breakfast which you can enjoy with your family and friends. Definitely try out this special recipe. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.